So I have another phone charger power bank from Oisley. It's slim, it's compact, it's travel friendly, and you just pop your phone on right here. That easy. The last Oisley power bank that I reviewed, I still use a lot, and it works with MagSafe. And it sits right there and it will charge up your phone. But maybe you have an older iPhone that doesn't have that MagSafe charging. This one might be perfect for you, and it's super easy, so let's just start the timer. This is it right here, the Oisley Power Bank, 18 watt fast charging, 5900 milliamp hour portable charger. And you can get this for the iPhone or a Type-C for the Android. It also comes with a short USB to lightning cable, so you can charge this thing up by plugging it into the bottom part. And when it's all charged up, you pop your phone on and it will give it a fast charge. Or you can have both on together and charge them both at the same time. This will charge up an iPhone 14 Pro Max all the way up in about 85 minutes. And it basically gives you 1.5 charges. There is an indicator light on there to tell you the status of the battery level, and it's important to note that not all cases will fit, so you might have to take your case off your phone to be able to make it fit. But it's great for travel when you might need that extra juice without having to carry around a bunch of cables or trying to find that power outlet. And I like that when this thing's on, you can set it on your desk and it just sits right up. It does come in black, blue, pink, red, and white. Oh. Okay, time's up. You should definitely check this out on Amazon. It's around $40, and I'll put links to everything down in the description, plus a surprise link. But also, if you have a phone that's iPhone 12 or newer, you should definitely check out the MagSafe one, because this thing is great as well, and definitely has a lot of really cool features. But thanks for joining me on another 30-second Thursday. My name is Danny Black, and if you're new here, don't be a stranger. I have a lot of really cool products to share with you coming up, and some giveaways and all that good stuff, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.